Let's make papercraft Dandy's world. I'm very excited. They're already cut. Let's glue and fold. Here's band. I can't open it, lol. So cute. Oh, hi Pebble. Let's do you now. He is so perfect. Bye bye, guys.